Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I am Taylor and welcome to my channel. I'm just going to keep this intro brief because I hope this video is not going to be too long, but today I'm doing a Taylor Talk Tuesday and it is going to be 50 random facts about me. I'm going to start off with kind of more obvious ones. Some you might know, some you might not, and the more we get to the bottom, the more random they become. But yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, you should definitely do so. Anytime I get a new subscriber or I get a thumbs up or a comment, it just makes me so freaking happy. So maybe that could be one of my random facts is I just feel super loved anytime someone watches my video. So without further ado, if you're interested in knowing 50 random things about me, then just keep on watching. Okay, number one, you guys should already know this, but I am 22 years old. Number two, I just celebrated my birthday. It was January 27th and I am an Aquarius. Number three, I was born in Wichita Falls, Texas, but I have lived in Nevada for over 10 years, so pretty much from Nevada. Number four, being from Texas, I am a hardcore Dallas Cowboys fan. Number five, I have two dogs, you may know this already, Duke and Duchess. Number six, along the same lines, I am a hardcore animal lover, an animal rights activist. I love all animals. Number seven, I attend the University of Nevada, Reno, and I am studying journalism with an emphasis on public relations and news. Number eight, I work at Renown Regional Hospital. I have worked there. This summer will be my 4th year, so yeah. Number nine, I have a boyfriend, if you didn't already know. His name is Jess, and he is 21 years old. Number 10, my parents are divorced, and I have two sisters, one whose name is Dusty, and one whose name is Lauren. Number 11, along the same lines, most of my family lives in Texas, hence being a hardcore Dallas Cowboys fan. All my family is Dallas Cowboys fans. If you guys are watching this, I love you. Number 12, if you didn't already know this, I am a makeup addict. I wear makeup almost every single day. Number 13, I love coupons and deals. Like, if there's one thing about me, I'm always looking for a deal to steal. And I know most people are like, oh, they're just scamming you most of the time if you're getting a coupon. But, you know, I don't think so because I don't use them all the time. And most of the time it'd be stuff I'm buying anyways, hence my candle obsession. I will not buy a candle unless they're on sale. Number 14, I am obsessed with Trader Joe's. I go there typically once a week, and yeah, I eat so much food from Trader Joe's. It's insane. Like, just the other day, if you follow me on Snapchat, you already knew this, but I went there to get salad, and I ended up spending $70. So, all right, number 15, I am a social butterfly. I love meeting new people. I'm very outgoing, and yeah, so if you meet me or if you see me somewhere, come up and say hi, and chances are I'll, say hi and have a full conversation with you. Number 16, I wear a size 6.5 shoe. Number 17, you guys already knew this, but Bath & Body Works candles are my favorite. I say I'm obsessed with candles, but I think I'm more obsessed with Bath & Body Works candles because I don't own any other candles except for Bath & Body Works candles. So candle fiend, maybe. Bath & Body Works candle fiend, most definitely. Number 18, rum and Coke is my favorite alcoholic beverage with cherries. Rum and Coke with cherries. If you're a rum lover, if you like a sweet drink, try it out. Also, Malibu and Diet Coke. I don't really like Diet Coke, but for some reason those two together, so good. Number 19, I cannot eat Mexican food without a margarita. Like, it's just impossible. I really can't do it. I love margaritas. Margaritas, chips, and salsa. I don't know why I keep doing this, but... Number 20, I am a self-proclaimed foodie. I love trying new food. I love trying new restaurants, unless it's Indian food. Don't invite me to Indian food, okay? I can't get over what it looks like, but other than that, I love eating. Like, I can never be on a strict diet because I just love food so much. Number 21, I could eat Cane's and In-N-Out every single day, any time of the day. Like, it could be 6 o'clock in the morning and you're like, you want to go to In-N-Out? I would say, like, hell yeah. Or the obsession is so real. I'm trying to, like, cover my entire water bottle in Cane's stickers. Like, it was going to be Cane's in In-N-Out, but I wanted to just, like, commit to one, 22, since we're still on the food train, I freaking love sushi. I love sushi so much. Like, could literally eat sushi 3 times in one day and not be over it still. Like, so good. 23, since we are continuing this food train, obviously, this was my train of thought as I was writing them, you can clearly see, but Nothing But Cakes White Chocolate Raspberry Swirl cake is one of my favorite desserts of all time. Number 24, I also love chips. Any and all kinds of chips. Side note, let's pause real quick. I'm sure you guys all saw that Doritos commercial during the Super Bowl, the Blaze ones. Ugh, don't try them. They are awful. But other than that, Doritos, Lay's, barbecue, fucking Ruffles, Sun Chips, tortilla chips, Pringles. I love chips. Like, number 25. You guys could clearly see where my mind was going when I was writing this list. 25, I also love wine. If you saw my favorites video a while back, I put wine in there. Number 26, we're finally away from food and drinks. I have been dyeing my hair since probably 4th grade. Sometimes I hate my mom for letting me dye my hair so young, but I'm thinking about going back dark. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment and let me know if you think I should go lighter or darker. Number 27, I first started wearing makeup consistently in 6th grade. Number 28, I am low-key a clean freak. Like, if there's clutter or a mess, it makes me anxious. Number 29, my favorite thing to do in the summer is go to Tahoe. That's probably my favorite thing about living in Reno, is Tahoe is so close, and during the summer, I try and go there at least once a week. Number 30, I have 4 tattoos. Maybe one day I'll show you guys them. 31. Sorry, I'm getting my nails done today. Don't look at them. I love sports. I have been to a professional football, baseball, and basketball game, and I definitely want to go see hockey. All right, number 32, I have major school pride. Go Wolfpack. Number 33, in high school, I was very involved in student leadership and student council. It's all about that shiz. Number 34, I am a shopaholic and have way more clothes than you need. And on a side note, since we're talking about that, I actually just put in a big order for Shein, and I'm definitely going to do a haul for you guys, so keep your eyes open for that. All right, number 35, I have a very strange style. One day, I'll be wearing leggings and a sweatshirt and tennis shoes. The next day, I'll be dressed up, wearing a tight dress and thigh-high boots. So my style changes from day to day. 36, hella random, I have a deviated septum. And if you don't know what that means this part of your nose, your septum. Mine is a little bit more to the side than the other one. And I don't know if you can tell, but this nostril's a little bigger than this one. Number 37, I've gotten my nose pierced 4 times. This is the 4th one. Hence my deviated septum problems. It kept getting infected, but yeah, this one has been with me for quite some time, over 3 years. So she's in it for the long. Number 38, I have 7 ear piercings that I'm not going to show you right now, but maybe one day I'll do a piercing tattoo video. Number 39, given I am a social butterfly, I love going to the club, I love drinking, I love dancing. It's one of my favorite things to do with my friends and Jess, is just go listen to music, let loose and dance, and yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do. All right, number 40, we're almost done. This is so random, but I am constantly losing earrings and sunglasses. I don't know what it is about those 2 things, but yeah, I've lost so many earrings and sunglasses. I don't know where they go. I could show you guys how many single earrings I have in my makeup box because it's so random. Number 41, I am extremely clumsy. Number 42, I wear a hat at least twice a week. Number 43, I can whistle really loud. Number 44, I love traveling, even if it's not that far, and I go to California at least 5 times throughout the year. Number 45, I am terrified of snakes and spiders. Just bugs in general, actually. Number 46, I have 2 best friends. I have lots of friends, but I have 2 best friends, Amanda and Victoria. If you guys are watching this, I love you guys so much. Besides Jess and my dogs, obviously. Number 47, I hate camping. Every time I've gone camping when I was younger, I've had terrible experiences, and so I just don't like it. Number 48, I am so bad at surprises, not secrets, I can keep secrets, but surprises. If I'm excited to tell you something, don't tell me what you got someone for Christmas or something, because I will probably tell them. Valentine's Day is coming up, but last week just already knew what I got him because I was just too excited. Number 49, we're almost done. I think I'm pretty good at giving advice. I know a lot of my friends come to me for advice, and I kind of pride myself on being realistic, but also very like nurturing and caring. So if you need some advice, hit me up. Maybe that'll be a thing I start doing, like Ask Taylor Tuesday. I'll switch it up, Taylor Talk Tuesday, Ask Taylor Tuesday. So maybe you guys can like start sending me little problems, and I can like talk to you guys and see if we like relate. Let me know if you like that idea. All right, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. We are at number 50. This is so random. I was like trying to think of things, but one of my favorite gifts is flowers. Like, I just think flowers is such a genuine, like, pure thing to get someone, and anytime I get flowers, like, I cherish them, whether they're bought at the store or someone just like picked a flower and thought of me. Like, I just love flowers. So yeah, that was it. That was 50 random ass facts about me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to know below, and let me know what you want to see as the next Taylor Talk Tuesday. And what you guys think about that Ask Taylor Tuesday, because that could be kind of interesting. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. It's gone, Duke. Okay. So, whatever. Hey, Duchess. Yeah. Guess I'm a cool girl. Boo.